Hey guys, welcome to night 3 of our cruise. We're just gonna get ready and mingle on the deck, enjoy the night and see where it takes us. You are enough. It wasn't closed, boy. 11. I was pressing this before.
Deck 5.
Oh, can we go through real quick? Thank you. Thank you. They're all white tonight. Do you want to talk, Mommy? We're just going to, apparently there's a party. If I took my jumper off, I would be white, basically. Thank God they never saw us. What's happening? Guys, we're gonna get changed. It's all white tonight. I'm wearing all different colors, so we're quickly gonna get changed. Thank God I know what I'm wearing, so let's get out.
Hello.
Hey. What's happening now, Mommy? So guys, we had something to eat. As I said, it was all night, all white. We had something to eat and we're going to a show now. We're still got a bit of food. We're still got a bit of food left, but we thought we're taking it to a room. But there's a show starting now and we don't want to really miss the show. So we're going there now and we'll eat later. And Mommy just dropped her food. I just dropped the plate. This is ours as well. I know a room because of the plate. Your keys. What's happening now? So we're going to the show. There's I think a magic show or something. It's starting right about now. So we're heading there right now. So come on down with us.
You like that? Yeah. Cool. So let me ask you something. No, let me promise you something. Tonight, you're gonna be at your stateroom with the flashlight of your cell phone, doing the dog. The dog. If you have a ball, just take the ball, and stand up in your place, stand up in your place. Thank you so much. Because we have here with us Marty. Where's Marty? Everybody say hi to Marty. Hi, Marty. Marty's gonna go with a microphone and everybody give them a big round of applause. Come on. Give me your craziest hour of the day, now.
They couldn't find me. They couldn't find me today. I was lost.
Okay. Give me any hour of the day. From 1 to noon.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. 10 p.m. Or,
Yeah.
10, or a.m. p.m.?
Well, 1 to noon goes all around, right?
Okay. I'm gonna take just 10.
Okay. We'll go with that.
Thank you so much. Have a seat. We're gonna take 10. I don't know if it is a.m. or p.m., but everybody give them a huge, big round of applause.
show, and we're on the 11th deck, and we're going to watch Salsa. Actually, we're going to get involved in the Salsa. The magic show was really good. It was very interactive. The guy got the audience involved, so it was quite good. But now it's Salsa time, so let's go. Guys, we just finished salsa. It was banging. So we're just going home and then when we grab some pizza and a glass of water. I've drunk mostly of it. We're gonna go to bed to get ready for day 4. And guess what? You're gonna be coming with me as well. Ciao. It's not finished. It's moving. Because it's moving. There's pressure. Do you think the Noah's Ark was this big? Because they had to put animals in. Look at an animal right there.